Hey, what's up producers? So you've got a great techno kick, compressed, EQ'd, and now it's time to move on to the 808. But an 808 bass requires surgical and sidechain dynamic EQ. Do it wrong, you will have muddiness, masking, and it will break your mix. Do it right, and you will get that beautiful big room techno low end you are looking for. Let me show you what a good EQ will do to your 808. So how to EQ an 808 bass and how to use dynamic EQ. You'll need a powerful EQ like FabFilter Pro Q3 or Isotope Neutron 4. The kick and the 808 bass share the same frequency range, and when you use sidechain dynamic EQ, the 808 will duck out when the kick hits. Send your kick to an empty bus and send the output to no output. Add Neutron 4 equalizer or FabFilter Pro Q3 to your 808 bass channel. Set the sidechain to the bus you're sending your kick to, and let's give the kick a little more space. I boosted my kick 3 dB at 60 Hz, so I'll cut the 808 for 5 dB at the same frequency, but only when the kick hits. So make that filter dynamic, set the sidechain to external, and compress 4 dB. Add a high-pass filter at around 40 Hz with a 48 dB slope to cut inaudible low frequencies, and a low-pass filter at around 300 Hz with a 12 dB slope. This will help your 808 bass sit better in the mix and not interfere with other elements. Now let's say a B. And that's how you EQ an 808 bass with Neutron 4. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe now for more dark techno or big room techno tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.